Well, last year in about January, I received an email from my supervisor, from our president of our company, who had received a presentation depicting the plight of the Ridgway's hawk that showed that it was being systematically eliminated. There was down to 200 individuals in the entire country. And he said to me, why don't we see if we can introduce it in Punta Cana? You know, obviously no one would try and hunt it in Punta Cana because everyone lives from tourism. When we looked into it, we found that the bird had actually historically occurred in Punta Cana, and that it was a decent idea to try and reintroduce in different areas. And so that's how it started literally a year and a half ago. The project has been fairly successful. It's gotten a lot of attention for the Ridgway's hawk here in the Dominican Republic, which is important. You know, Punta Cana Resort and Club is a pretty high-profile company, and so to be interacting and having a project related to these Ridgway's hawks is really kind of a high-profile activity for these hawks, which really hadn't gotten a lot of attention previously.
I'm so glad because, for example, my grandchildren came and they came to see them the other day and watch them. They were thrilled. And now we're expanding the program. And I think this is the first that will be important because that's moving other companies of the Dominican Republic to assume that type of responsibility in different parts of the country. And I think that's the most important part because we could try to do as much as we can, but it will never be enough. But if many different companies take the responsibility and start doing the same thing, then we have a huge opportunity to protect endangered species of the Dominican Republic.